Can you make art like this from trash on a budget without a CNC machine? I started by laying out a random design I came up with, incorporating many curved and intersecting lines. The plywood I'm using is from a dining table I found in the trash. I took it home, cut it in half, laminated the boards with the finished side facing out using all my clamps, myself included, then trimmed the edges flush so I could begin. This plywood is unlike the garbage I find typically, having flawless veneer and being void-free, as you'd expect from a tabletop. Under the surface, however, lies the issue. As I carve, knots emerge everywhere. I don't want to sway from the abstract nature of my original design, but that rigidity contradicts the essence of this project. Art is not my expertise. When it comes to debating form or function, I may as well be blind. I'm using a $10 carving disc attachment I bought for my angle grinder for this project. Skimping on something that rotates at 10,000 RPM might not be the smartest choice, so if you're not as inclined to risk your life for art, I'll link below other options as well. After 4 hours of carving and 5 pounds of sawdust later, I wasn't progressing as fast and getting the effect I had expected. I had initially planned to start this project with the router, but I mistakenly bought 6mm ball nose router bits thinking they were the same as 1/4 inch bits, so don't make that mistake. I'm using the router to carve deeper since it's faster and is less likely to gouge the sides. At times it seems most of the work is carving precisely between lines, only to later go back and aggressively carve away those same lines. Most of this can be avoided if you plan ahead and glue pre-cut shapes to a plywood backer, then carve between the pieces, instead of pretending to plan with tape. It's more work up front, but much more efficient. The flex shaft rotary tool is one of my favorites and is ideal for this type of project. I wanted to use it to carve deeper and add intricate details that aren't possible with the angle grinder, but it kept tripping the GFCI breaker. If you have any experience with these types of repairs, your help would be appreciated. Earlier I accidentally carved off one of the corners. I want to balance the curves with the sharp corners, so I'm just cutting it off. I'm using a flap disc to smooth out the harsh marks left by the carving disc. It removes wood very efficiently, but seems more prone to burning the end grain in certain areas regardless of the pressure applied. This project was noisy, dusty, and made my neighbors hate me, but I love how it turned out. I'm considering adding LED strips on top similar to a sconce. I think it would look incredible. If you like this video, watch my review of the mini circular saw used in this video. You might find it, along with my other videos, interesting as well.